Hello again, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens, and this morning I am back in Littleton, Massachusetts at our kitchen renovation project going on right now. And I am here. I think this is the start of week 3, and I'm going to take you around and show you what is happening because we have quite a bit going on at this project. So come along with me. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. All right, so let's take a look at what is happening and what is going on at this job. So we got the electricians here who are making the space safe. And you see all this framing over here. This is all for the load-bearing wall that is being removed. And the ducting is being removed. The air conditioning HVAC people are here today as well. So I'm going to take you and show you busy space. And here's the dining room area. And I'll show you what they're doing upstairs, which they're putting the mini splits because it's the only way to heat and cool the spaces up here. So right now, I think the mini split unit is being put up. So, all right, so I'll just take you out real quick. Show you the team working in here. And the poor dogs are stressed. Alrighty, so I don't want to bug the guys too much. They are busy working. And it's time for me to go back to the office and start my day. Well, it's almost 10 o'clock. And I'll come back again next time. Thank you for joining me. Right, so here we are at our Littleton project, and all out with the old, in with the new. Let's go. That window's gone.
Ready?
The drama. See, Mike makes a great actor.
No, I don't think it might not tip out, Jay, just because it's really tight and there's a fin there. So try tipping it out. Oh, yeah, okay.
All right. Nice.
Yeah, maybe if you're working.
Whoa.
You know. Yeah.
That's why we need gloves. Out with the old.
Thanks, Alex.
Nice, Alex. Hey, Mike. Now I can see you. There you are. I know. I have a big video of you. Like for a while, you're like yakking away about what was it? Oh, the floors. Very dramatic. Talk about the floor. Yeah. About the floors not being installed under.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Well, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
Wow, makes a great pass through.
Yeah, exactly.
This is awesome. All right. So I'm gonna go check out the mini split and see how those look. And then I'll come back and then I gotta head out. But you should swing by the office. I have a check for you.
Okay.
It's just that it's too dramatic to come back here. This is awful. I'm gonna have to. Alex, do you mind opening this for me? I'm like a little stuck. Thank you. I want to see how they look. But you know what? The dining room is intact, which is great. Oh my God. I mean, sometimes people don't want to hear drama, like not drama, but construction stuff.
That, right?
It happens.
There's always something.
Yeah.
Well, when you
of
watch
course.
those shows, there's always like dramatic music, and they're like, "Yeah, we got a big problem here." And then you go to
Yeah.
commercial,
We
and
always
then you come back, and it's like, "Yeah, that screw's a little loose. You're gonna have to tighten it up." Yeah. Your turn.
yeah, like it's easy. Like
Oh,
it's
yeah.
easy.
So-
Just like that.
So
Okay, so here.
here's the problem. Let's figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
We got to do a 7-inch beam. That's 4 LVLs together.
Okay.
Together, right?
Okay.
So we need a post that big
Mm-hmm.
over this wall, and that's going to make it stick out on this side. So when the beam will be sticking out a little bit on this side.
Can we stick it into the
Well, that's the thing, and that's what I'm
into
talking
the
to him
dining?
about.
Mm-hmm.
Because if I do that, there's nothing underneath half of it,
Oh.
right? So if they want it centered over this,
Okay.
you know what I mean?
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
So if we look under here,
So it'll be the whole thickness of an LVL sticking into the kitchen and the dining.
I'm trying to figure out a way not to do that with him. So I reached out to Karen because I know him.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to send him a video today of this situation, and we're going to figure that out.
Yeah.
So
Is he still out of
that's what I
town?
was saying. He was in Texas. He's going to be
Oh.
today. So he said, "Well, send me the video. I'll try to look it over before I get on the plane."
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. No, that'll be good. Okay. Okay. Interesting. We all know him, huh?
Yeah.
He's-
Small world, yeah.
yeah.
I've used him on a few projects. So.
Yeah. No, he's good. He's good. All right.
So that's where we're at. Before I take this apart, I got to figure out how we're going to do that because it's much thicker than this wall is. That means half of it's over here and half of it's over here. You know what I'm?
Mm-hmm.
This is the center. So if I put that LVL in the center, it's going to span.
You're gonna have to have some.
7 inches. So that
Yeah.
3.5.
So there's gonna be
3.5 inches. So that's 3/4 of each side.
Each side is gonna have to stick out because you got to pick up
Just in the beam, just up there, just a little bit right there. But that plane comes out that far. I'd rather stop my plane here, like you said, and bring it in that way.
mm-hmm.
But there won't be anything to post to. So that's my concern.
So there's gonna be okay.
So
All right.
I'm gonna try to make it so it doesn't do that. I'm gonna try to figure out how to not do that. But that's something I'm up against right there. So that's just want to bring that to your attention. I'm trying to figure out how to make that work with him.
Okay. I think inside is an inch and a half. Huh. Inch and a half. So the cabinets in that side, you may have to shave the face frames a little bit to gain a little room. Because I think I have no.
They go
I
right
have
up against that wall.
I have 2 inches on. I have 1 inch on one side and 1 inch
How
on the
high do
other.
they go up though?
They're only at like 84.
Okay,
84
so they'll
inches.
probably be underneath that anyway then.
Yeah.
Because that's only going to come down. We got 10 inches, 14. This is only going to come down like 4 inches. So
Okay.
it shouldn't
All right.
be up that high anyway.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't affect
All
the
right.
camera.
Yeah. So well,
Although we got to put the crown.
no, because aren't you making the wall like the base where the beam is going to rest? It is expanding too, right?
Well, there'll be. Well, the beam's only going to come through right around here somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere around here, I think it was.
Yeah. It's like 20. Let's say 24 inches. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm going to have studs here. But he wants me to use an 8-inch post
Okay.
on a 3.5-inch wall. So
I know. So it's going to be it's the
so I'm
thickness
trying
of that beam.
You're going to have it come out and then you're going to have a jog like that.
Right.
You know?
Right.
But it's going to do it on one side or the other. And if I do it on the inside, I could build out the whole wall. So it's
Mm-hmm. If you can do it.
That's with your cabinetry, though.
So it's 3 inches though. Is it 3 inches or 2 inches?
What's that?
The thickness of that wall in the
How
on
much
the
is going to go to that side? It'll be about, well, if I'm able to go flush and bring it all in that way, it'll be 3.5 inches down.
it will be too wide, because I only have 2 inches to play with,
Yeah.
like two
So that means that I
1
have
inch
to center it
filler.
out then. That'll give me 1.75 inches. Inch 3/4. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right.
That means that we're gonna have a little, it's got that plane's gonna be further out than this plane here, right?
So, but if I'm understanding it,
That little thing.
oh, just a beam up there,
Just the beam.
just a beam.
Well,
So
and the post.
And the toast.
and the post.
the
So the
post.
post is going to
So
stick
It's
out
gonna come out like that. And
like this
Mhm.
and then out.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. I mean, it's gonna look like a post anyways. Like, how about if we just make it look then like a fake
We can
post?
box it out.
Like
Yeah,
make it look
Trim it. Yeah.
make it look nice
Yeah,
rather.
of course.
Like two big posts holding it so it doesn't look like an
It's an
accident.
aesthetic.
Yes. Oh yeah. No, we'll make it look nice.
Okay, so I'll just go with that then.
Yeah.
What are you
Yeah.
saying?
No, I mean that's like it's what we have to do. But
yeah,
we're gonna
yeah.
So I think if we do post over there, so we leave enough to put a post to make it look like a nice thick column.
Well, I can fake it out too.
Yeah.
You know
No,
what I mean?
that'll be cool.
We'll make it frame, and then aesthetically we'll build whatever.
So one thing we
whatever
could
chunk we want to add to
Yes.
it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what we could do is just build a I'll show you like a little drawing. Make it look almost like paneling, like it has
Yeah,
fake
we should do
paneling.
something like that.
That would
Like
look
something
nice.
like
Yeah, because they have so many they have details on this.
this very detailed. Yeah.
Yeah, so I would say that we make it look like a column, and then even put the
So
crown
that's the
on.
plan. We'll have it up protruding on your end.
Yeah,
It's gonna split it right in the middle of that wall, and that makes sense. You're picking up all the load.
yeah, and making it.
I mean, we gotta work with what we have.
Yes,
You know, so-
yeah, and make it look nice.
Yeah, exactly.
And we will,
Yeah.
we will.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, it'll be all finished.
Yeah,